Safety and Fire Technology Incorporated is North America's only vertically integrated manufacturer of fire-resistive glass, framing, and entrances. From our humble beginnings on Williams Avenue, now headquartered in Brisbane, California, just outside San Francisco city limits, manufactured in Merced, California, where we occupy 5 separate facilities providing a combined 170,000 square feet of manufacturing space. Each facility is focused on providing the highest quality product in the most efficient manner. Our glass fabrication facility recently underwent a massive transformation with over 40,000 square feet of additional manufacturing space provided, also raising our ceiling height to over 40 feet in direct response to the market's demand for larger, clear views of glass. Safety is now able to manufacture products that provide over 10,000 square inches of clear view. That's the largest in our market segment. Our highly automated manufacturing process improves efficiency, reduces variability, ensuring that we manufacture the highest quality product on time and in budget. As a vertically integrated manufacturer, Safety First has reduced their reliance on outside vendors who could negatively impact price and schedule. All of the improvements and enhancements made in our manufacturing facilities have been in direct response to demands from the marketplace. All of Safety's products are designed to blend seamlessly with their non-rated counterparts, ensuring that code compliance does not sacrifice performance or aesthetics. Not only do our systems meet the stringent fire codes established in IBC, they're also tested for air, water, thermal, and structural performance. Knowing that when you incorporate a Safety First product into your building, not only are you enhancing the overall safety of the building's design and its occupants, you're also adding to the overall performance of the building. Safety's framing systems were designed to blend in with the non-rated counterparts that comprise the balance of the building. Our highly advanced door fabrication facility allows us to manufacture 90-minute temperature-rise doors at 10 feet. We utilize a custom drum sander that allows us to produce a higher quality product than any other in the fire-rated market segment. Hardware is attached in our facility. Each door is hung in a buck to ensure proper operation and positive latching, a major code requirement. Our state-of-the-art R&D facility gives us the ability to maintain our position as innovator and leader in the fire-resistive glass and framing market segment. Thank you for watching this video and your interest in Safety First. Please call us at 888-653-3333 or visit us on the web at www.safety.com.